Kirby Gump, co-founder, partner at SlotDrain Technologies. We're a manufacturer of drainage systems, primarily industrial drainage systems for the food industry. And we specialize in hygienic drainage. We're experts in hygienic and sanitary drainage design. We have customers like Maple Leaf and Tyson and Bell and Evans, major food manufacturing plants. We just celebrated our 10-year anniversary of SlotDrain. I had bought the company about 11 years ago.
Came from a completely different industry, had a bit of naivety towards the intricacies of manufacturing, and that's basically our success is looking to others and the CME and hiring really good people to fill in the many gaps that we didn't have filled. And I think perhaps we brought a culture and an attitude that helped, but beyond that we needed help in everything else.
Yeah, the learning curve is steep, and so you have to go where the resources are. CME helped us, introduced us to a lot of resources. We were very fortunate to meet some talented people along the way. Literally couldn't have done this without our team. At the time, felt that was a weakness, trying to figure this out. Looking back on it, it was a strength because it just helped us get introduced to the right people. And we have just an amazing team here, and we're very grateful to them.
About a year into operations, we actually got an email from an architect in Malaysia, had a project in the Middle East, and we thought it was one of those sort of scams where somebody wanted to get out of Nigeria some money, and we didn't believe it. And we kind of kept hanging in there, and lo and behold, it turned out to be a real opportunity. And next thing you know, we're arranging for a Hercules airplane to be commandeered from Calgary to fly to London, then down to Baghdad. And it kind of got our mind going that we knew we had something larger than just a little drain company. We had sort of a global opportunity, which then turned ourselves towards SlotDrain as the name.
And that really opened our eyes that there's a global opportunity for this product. Sort of that was the early formulation of SlotDrain Technologies, could become sort of a global company one day.
It was a patented drain system. It solves a lot of problems, especially in the food industry. We started to then target to certain spots where we thought it would be really well used. I wish I could say the story was just linear. After that sort of first opportunity, we went to our first trade show, which was the car wash show, and it was awful. We really showcased poorly our designs and found out quite quickly that it wasn't the best industry, and we pivoted and went to food. And then actually the beer industry has been amazing for us. We've done well over 1,000 breweries across North America. Then just food gets segmented into, you got bakery, you got dairy, you got proteins, you got all types of beverages. So we attack all those industries quite aggressively.
So we are just embarking on year 4 of a 5-year plan that we had set out, and we called it 25 by 25, and it was 25% growth year over year till the end of 2025. So we've been on target on that to this point, and now we're just kind of setting out our 2030 plan. We definitely have a team that is out on the road at trade shows. We have a tremendous marketing team that's also really helping understand the customers and get the message out there. It's been a lot of educating the marketplace on the different options that are available, a very focused niche approach. Having a dedicated service team has been integral. We have a saying that every deal is a gateway to a new deal, and that really means to us that we have to nail the service aspect and deliver a quality product every time.
We've built trust with our customers. Most of our business is repeat business. We listen to our customers. We get out into the field. We ask them, what can we do better? What would make you install the drain quicker? And the end customers, what would help to make this drain easier to use, easier to clean? We're constantly getting that feedback, and we're able to quickly put those items that we learn in, we're able to put them into our products. We're able to redesign our products to apply those new ideas from the field. And I think because we're still a relatively small company, we're pretty nimble. We can quickly take an idea and get it out to the market fast. We're just a little guy in the drainage space, but we're competing in these big projects. We're Our drains are going into these massive food facilities all over North America, and it's exciting. This little company from Winnipeg is doing that.
It's nice to be recognized for something that you like doing every day. You know, it's a nice milestone, but there's so much more for us to do. But we really appreciate the opportunity to be recognized today, for sure.
Very proud of Global Drain and what we've accomplished. We're excited by the growth and the future potential of the business, and there's a lot of runway in what we're doing, and we just want to build a great Winnipeg company.